I have seen some videos on YouTube showing how to upgrade your license plate light to LED lights, where they took the entire liftgate covering off to get access to the LED light. But guys, there's a much easier way that will take less than 10% of the time it will take to remove the liftgate cover. I will give a demonstration in this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. The only tools needed is a small screw, a screwdriver, and the pliers. Place the screw in a small hole to the right of the light. Use a screwdriver to gently screw the screw in. Be careful here, you do not want to go too far to break the clip. Then pull the screw down while bracing left, and this will release a clip to remove the license plate light cover. I turned off the light and gently use the pliers to remove the bulb. Try not to break it, guys. Be gentle. Then insert the new LED. The cool thing about this LED is that it doesn't matter which way you insert, it will always work. Now let there be light. And there was light. Next, replace the license plate light cover and move on to the next one. So guys, same procedure. Use a screw to insert to the right. I'm using the pliers this time to pull while bracing to the left. Then use the pliers to remove the bulb. Insert new LED light. Replace cover. And the job is done. So this is how it looks, and it's still daylight. You can see how bright it is. I also installed LED lights in the doors of this car, also inside the car, the third row, the middle row, and the front. There's also LED light in the mirror, and I also installed LED light in the front, guys. I have separate videos on these installations. I will put a link in the description below. Remember to like and subscribe, guys. See you on the next one.